Okay, hey guys, we left off just getting some food, so let's get started. Yeah. I should be using my sword. Let's see if I can. There's a baby chicken. I didn't get poisoned. And let's see if it's unpeaceful. Oh, it's unpeaceful. I'm sorry guys, it was unpeaceful. So let's make a quick house. Yeah, it's a good start. So, I haven't been recording because I had school today, so yeah, that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna start a farm. So, that's the next step. I see a creeper. I'll get some action and kill him. Yeah. See if I can kill him. I bet I could. Ow. There's another creeper. And it's raining, so if it's laggy, just tell me in the comments below. It's laggy for me, but it might not be in the video, so it's good. And my brother just uploaded a video, so check that out. Oh, there's the creeper. Move. Where is it? Oh, it was in my house. Yeah, there we go. So much creepers. And let's see if I can get this. Nope, I can't. But I got some dirt. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry about it, but I bet this is really entertaining for all you guys. Yeah. Is there any more creepers? There's a zombie. Yeah, so if you eat rotten flesh for the new players of Minecraft, you'll get poisoned sometimes. But that's worth it, because if you're down in caves and you don't have any food, you can just eat some rotten flesh. It's the best. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's finish up my house. And there's a spider. Skeleton, I'm sorry. And I might die, so don't laugh at me if I die. I will not change it. I'll stay right here and wait off the rain. And I will probably go mining. And I know this is boring, but then I die. So I'm just gonna do this and leave that out there. So yeah. I should get some food. I don't have anything, so So let's just mine a little bit. Get off the night. I'm sorry if I'm using my pickaxe. Probably gonna die. But that's okay. Because my brother died in his video. There's a pink sheep. Those are rare. So I'd better hurry. Make a bed real quick. See if I can make it on time. There's another creeper. So I'm gonna try to hurry and get in my little place and don't die. Should have grabbed that chicken, but I didn't. I'm gonna leave a little light for the viewers. And I know that's not really light, and I don't have enough. So I did not grab the other wood. And I think this video is getting a little bit long. So, probably gonna die, but who cares? I'm gonna eat some rotten flesh if I survive here. If he gives me any, that's good. That's good, because then I can eat. Yep, he gave me some. So, what you want to do if you get poisoned, and I just moved, so it's not going to really help. If you stand still, it will help you. So let's just wait off the poison. Go around. And yes, it does. Sorry. Wears off, and it does not help you. There we go. It wears off. And let's see if we can get this apple from a tree. And there's another one. I'm going to use an axe. That's a second, and I died. Oh, man. That really sucks. I'm sorry. You can see the Enderman. But, sorry. So, let's go. There's some iron. I will make my house by here. So, yeah. And this video is getting a little bit long, so I know my brother changed it to peaceful, but I'm not. I'm gonna try to survive, because I can survive. Yeah. So, if I die, I'll end this episode. And yeah, I'll meet you back in episode 3. And I will have some stuff. Yeah. So, I'll see you. Like, rate, and subscribe to my channel. And that will really help me out a lot. So, see ya. Bye. I wanna die on film. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. And see ya now.